guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a vlog. I'm just going to go through basically some new inventory that I've had. I think you guys kind of like to see behind the scenes, so I thought I'd do a vlog style video this time and just show you, because my business, the inventory is finally here. I've been out of stock for so long because of this whole COVID situation. I've had no pillowcases, which is like my best seller. The shampoo brushes, I just have a new colour, and then my original colour literally just arrived like an hour ago. So I'm going to show you that, and then I'm going to show you a sneak peek at Please Mind My Nails. Like, I had these like stick-on ones from Primark, which were like £1, and they're really good actually. It's like ombre, but they keep falling off. So I'm going to show you a exclusive sneak peek at a new product I have coming out. So if you follow me on Instagram, I'm not going to show you guys on that. I'm simply just going to show you on YouTube. So you guys watching right now have the exclusive. Don't go and post this on social media. Just keep it to yourself and be ready for when it drops. This is my mum's hallway, by the way, which is like my makeshift warehouse at the moment. Yeah, I've been buying a lot of my equipment via China, via Alibaba. I am going to do a video talking about Alibaba because there's a whole load of things that can go wrong with it, but there are a whole load of things that can go right and are good. So I've been lucky at the moment to have some good products come from China, and those are the shampoo brushes and something new coming soon. So yeah, let me just show you guys what I have. New pieces of the original white shampoo brushes. So there's 500 pieces and they come in 3 boxes. These are actually selling out much faster than I actually thought, because I got my first delivery probably early last month, and I've already sold out of the 500. So I feel like I'm gonna have to be buying these every month now, which is getting just a little bit too much, but hey, can't complain. Now this is the pink boxes. However, the boxes are actually not the design that I wanted. Like, this pink is way too bright, so we had a bit of a falling out about that, but we sorted it. They sent me a box that is the right box, so I just have to rebox them. But this right here is a box set aside for a wholesale order, and that is from a retailer in Germany. So they order a certain amount of products and then I have to send it to them for them to resell to their customers. So we got those, and then we have some satin pillowcases back in stock, every colour. I restocked on my website on Tuesday, I think, and within the first hour, I'd say I already sold out of the colour black. White is really low and the other colours are selling out, but luckily I have some more coming in next week. Those who are actually familiar with my business, Oso Curly, will know that a very popular product of ours was the spray bottles. And because of this whole COVID situation, I actually learned the other day that they have been sold out of plastic bottles because of everyone's making hand sanitizer. So apparently that's what the hold up is, but I've been out of stock of bottles for months, pretty much like most of this year. But I finally managed to find somewhere that I can get it printed, because our last ones were just plain, and I just put like a custom tag on it, which people still enjoyed, but I really wanted something that was very customized to us. So I managed to get a new spray bottle. And my thing was, I really didn't want one that wasn't clear, because I just think that you can buy a lot of them that are like completely white or completely pink, but I feel like all of my products need to be practical for those with natural curly hair, and I just feel like I wouldn't buy a one that is blanked out, because I like to see what the water looks like. I like to see how much conditioner is in it. If I've got too much, I like to see how much water I have in it. I like to remember that I have water in it. I mean, I just like to see. This is the new bottle, and it has the logo all the way down, and it's really good for refreshing the hair. It sprays continuously and in a mist, so people love it for refreshing. If you need to put your hair in a bun and you just want it to be sleek, you could just spray but the way that it sprays out evenly is just perfect for refreshing curly hair. It doesn't make it too wet, and it actually spreads across more of your hair in one go than a normal spray bottle does. So really happy with this. This will be coming soon. And then I just have to pack a lot of retail orders, and I have a bunch of orders from this week that need to go to the post office as usual. Let me show you guys how I've set up my wholesale orders just to keep organized. So I have them all on my wall now. So I actually print out the invoice that I give to them, I put it on my wall, and then I write with a post-it note what is due. So for example, with this one for Amsterdam, they wanted 50 white brushes and 50 pink brushes. I had the pink, but I didn't have the white in stock, so I just wrote on there 50 white brushes due, so that I know when the brushes come back in stock, it's time for me to pack their box and send it off to them. I can now take this down and deal with this one today. So I'm going to sort their order out today, and then I have a few pending because I'm just waiting for fabric to arrive so that I can get their bonnets and stuff done. So that's basically an update on what's going on at the moment. I also have some belly bands coming pre-packaged, so at the moment I print them out myself, and then I have to cut them myself and wrap them around the pillowcases, whereas now I have got like a bunch made up, printed. They already have the sticky paper on them, so it just is going to make shipping and packing way quicker for me, because I don't have to cut the tape, put the tape on, fold it around. Like, all I have to do is just fold it around and we are done. Let's just get straight into work because the time is ticking, and I just feel like time goes so quickly, especially when you work for yourself. It's like, if you don't wake up early, which I've been kind of behind with lately, not gonna lie, time just goes super quick. That's why I like to wake up early. I like to wake up at 5 and just get started much quicker, so by the time it gets to like 2 p.m. I'm pretty much done with like my main tasks. Everything else is just extra. But now it's 12 and I haven't even started with the packing of this box, so let's get into it.
Perfect.
Okay, so that is the end of today's vlog. I am tired. This is pretty much no, this is actually a really busy day in the life of entrepreneur. So today's Friday. My best friend is having a baby, so we're going to discuss her baby shower which is happening the 1st of August. So I'm gonna go over to hers, we're gonna discuss it and get planning. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys, or your evening or your weekend, whenever you're watching this, because I don't know when I'm gonna upload. So let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe, share, like, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.